wondered how these jacks were put together. Today we're going to find out. I already took this is all apart. It's from a just a regular headphone jack that you'd plug into your phone or something. It was shorted or broke. The wire was broke, so I just took the end apart. I'm just trying to get this off here, this white stuff off here, to see what's going on underneath it. It's got to be separated. There's two separate parts. You got the right side, the right channel, and the left channel. So I'm sure they're using this white stuff here to separate it. Teflon. Teflon's high temperature, so you can kind of heat it up and it won't melt, but it will melt if you give it too much heat. Another pair of pliers here. Something. Let's see how this works. Never took one of these apart, so I have no clue. You can see it's separated by the Teflon. That little ring of Teflon right around there is separating the right or left channel, these two channels right here. And then this ring is separating those channels from the ground, which is right here, where the ground wire was soldered on at one time, but I broke it off. So I would think that these would just pull out probably this way, pull out this way, there it comes. You can see it's coming out of there. there's the middle one, or whatever channel that was. I don't remember what it was, the left or the right. Now that would be the other, let's say, right channel. Okay, so that should pull out too. That might be stuck because of this part. If we cut around, let's see if it comes out. Always curious on how things are put together. And I guess the only way you can figure it out is take it apart. There it went. Well, it fell on the floor somewhere. Well, part of it, I should say. It broke off right there. I'm thinking that center part has to come out yet. This white here might be holding it on there still. If this isn't something to waste your time, I don't know what else is. I was actually using this on something and I noticed it had a short in it. So I said, what better thing to do than tear it apart, right? Don't know if I'll get this out of there. Oh, there it goes. So there's the center one. So that's how they put it together. Probably slip that Teflon piece in there. Slide the first channel in there. And then slide the second channel in there. So you'll have them all in a row like that. So there, now you know how one of those things are put together. And that you can't really get them apart in decent condition. Alright, well, glad I could waste some of your time. Wasted some of mine. Lesson learned.